Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a look using the new Melt Gemini palette. I went to Fame Expo yesterday and I knew I wanted to pick up this palette because it was everything that I ever needed in my life. I love these colors so much and I haven't seen another palette that looks like this, so it's definitely super different. It was a little more on the pricey side. It was $58, which I think is kind of a lot for an eyeshadow palette, but you know, it is really different and I can definitely see myself using it a lot, especially because it does have like the more neutral sides in here, but also has the greens, and I don't know, I really like the colors and I've never seen another palette that looks like this. So I picked it up. A lot of inspiration from all of the looks that Laura posted over on her Instagram before the palette launched, so that is how I came up with this look. One of the looks she posted is pretty similar to this. I think hers was just a little bit darker and smokier, but my look was definitely heavily inspired by all the looks she posted with it. This isn't too much of a review, this is more just me doing a look with it, but I will give my little review really quick. I do absolutely love the palette and I think it's really, really good. The shadows performed really nicely. I'm very pleased with it. It's such a good palette. Even though it is a little bit more on the pricier side, I think it is definitely worth it because this look is bomb and I'm probably going to be doing this look a lot. That's what the actual packaging of the palette looks like, and then this is the box for the palette, and then it has like these roses of the colors that are in here. On here, it is made in the USA and there are 10 shadows in here. They are pretty large, like they're not super big, but they're a lot bigger than I thought, and the palette is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be too. I'm really excited to keep playing around with it and create more looks with it, and I posted some like a little Instagram story of me unboxing it when I came back from Fame Expo, and a lot of you guys wanted to see a look with it, so I was super excited for it. You were super excited for it, so I knew I had to film a video, so I did end up doing this look right here. I love it. I'm so obsessed with it. I think it looks so pretty. Also, by the way, if you guys couldn't tell, I went even lighter with my hair. I'm definitely more blonde than I was, so if my hair looks different, that is why. But anyways, enough of me rambling. If you guys want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep watching. Okay, so my eyes are already primed and set. I am wearing a shirt, by the way, you just can't see it. But let's just go ahead and get into it. So I am taking the Melt Gemini palette, and I saw Laura, which is the owner of Melt, or one of the owners of Melt. I saw her post a lot of different looks on Instagram using the palette, but this one really spoke to me the most. I don't know if you can really see it, but pretty much just me taking inspiration from all the looks that she posted on Instagram. So I think I'm going to start off with Mochi, which is like this. It honestly looks like a shit yellow. I really don't know how else to explain that, but it is like a pretty shit yellow. So I'm just going to take that and kind of put that everywhere. I want to really blow this look out. I really like that there is a mirror in this palette too. It's a big mirror, but me, I always just use like another mirror in front of me, so I'm just gonna be using that. And like I said, I'm just gonna be putting this pretty much all over. I love colors like this. They're like my favorite colors. I really love like poopy brown yellow colors. I love the colors so much in this palette. I don't think I've seen another palette ever look like this, and that's why I was so excited for it because it's so different. I love that there's more of like the mustardy yellows and browns in here too, but I love the greens. They're just so pretty. Not too many people do greens this color. Like, I love it. This seems to be blending out really nicely. Like I said, I'm kind of blowing this shade out, so I really want it to be a little bit out here too. I want it to be really smoked out. Kind of messy with this shade because I am going to eventually clean this up with concealer and stuff. So I kind of want this a little bit higher up by the brow bone. Like I said, I want this color to be everywhere. I want this color to show through after all the other colors are placed. So now that I have that shade pretty much everywhere, I'm gonna go in with Fire OG, which is, no, that's Gold. This one right here. I'm just gonna take that on a smaller brush. And I'm gonna put this, okay, she's pigmented. Starting on the outer corner, bringing it into the crease. Just patting that shade down and then blending out. I want that shade to be like right here. The color is really pretty. It's blending really nicely into the other shade and it's really pigmented. It's buildable and it blends out really nicely. I like it. Go in with a clean brush and kind of blend the shades together just so everything's kind of seamless. I'm barely even like tapping into the palette. Like I'm literally just going like that and I'm getting a lot of pigment. Now that I have those shades down, I'm going to be taking all like the green colors. So I'm taking Leo, which is the shade right here. It kind of reminds me of like a mossy green color. They're all shades of green, but they're all different. With that same brush, I'm going to do kind of the same thing, but mainly focusing this on the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. Or just bring it into the crease. I'm going to go back with Mochi, the original first shade, and kind of go over that and blend everything together because I really want that color to show through. Go in with Bonnie, which is the black. I don't know how pigmented this, okay, I barely tapped into it. It's pretty pigmented, so I'm gonna go lightly. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit and build the black up. I'm just starting off really lightly because it seems like this black is actually pretty pigmented, and yeah, I'm like barely picking anything up and it's pretty pigmented, so I really just want to blend this slowly to slowly deepen up this outer corner. I don't want the black to overpower the other shades, but I do definitely want the black to show, just not too much. So back with Leo again, kind of go over that just so I still have the green there, kind of blend out those edges. I'm gonna go back with Fire OG, taking all the shades that I originally used and kind of just going back and blending everything out with them. I'm gonna take Gold, which is the shimmery like gold green color. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Eye Candy Cosmetics liquid sugar. This is just so the color will stick to my lid and not really transfer too much. It right here. Not doing like a cut crease or anything. I'm kind of just gonna blend gold into everything. I'm gonna take it on a synthetic brush and see how it picks up. Oh, picks up really nicely. Gonna place that down. If I need to wet it, I will. But it seems like it's going on really nicely. It's so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? This isn't wet at all. It's just really sticking to the Eye Candy Cosmetics liquid sugar. I'm just patting it on and kind of blending it into the crease and then also into the outer corner. That is stunning. That is so pretty. It's like super creamy and buttery. See what it looks like. Oh, it goes on really nice with the finger too. I'm gonna wet it and see how that looks too. I just always find that wetting shadows always make them look really nice, but I mean, you definitely don't need to. Oh, but that makes it like super metallic, so but yeah, you definitely don't need to wet it. It's like pretty pigmented on its own. Take this brush and blend the edges out because I don't really want like a cut crease. I kind of just want this to really just blend in with the crease shade. Take a little bit of Mochi and Fire OG and mix those together. Kind of just blend this area to kind of bring back that shade. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll come back to do my lower lash line. So I did pretty much the rest of my face. I just need to do some highlight, my lower lash line, all that good stuff. But I'm actually gonna put some eyeliner on. This one is from Ofra. It is the Green Go just eyeliner. I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. This mirror is dusty. Okay, I feel like that literally doesn't even show up. Okay, I'm actually going to take this one. This is from Pure. It is the Hotline eyeliner. And see how this looks. It's kind of like a olive green brown. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Go back into the palette. I'm going to take Leo. No, I'm actually going to take Fire OG first. I'm gonna kind of smoke that color out, kind of just stamping that on lower lash line, a pencil brush, and go in with Mochi and blend that out. That brush that we used earlier, and just kind of blending that all together. Makes it really blown out. My pencil brush again and going in with Bonnie, which is the black. Kind of putting that right at the outer corner and a little bit in with whatever's left. Back in with Fire OG with a little bit of Leo. Blend that out again. And just like blowing this eyeshadow out. If you don't want to go this far down with the eyeshadow, you definitely don't have to. I'm not going like that far down, but I know a lot of people don't like to bring it this much, bring it down this much, but I like it. So I already have this in my hand. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face. I'm using the Melt Stargazer highlight, which is one of my favorites. Just putting that on the tops of my cheekbones. I think I also might use this on my inner corner. I love this highlighter so much. I'm gonna take this highlighter and put this in my inner corner just to brighten that up. Add a little bit of something. I'm gonna take a little bit of Goals, which is the shade that we use on my lid, and kind of blend that in with the inner corner. That way it's a little bit more green. Go ahead and put some lashes on, do my lips really quick, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. For lashes, I'm just wearing some from Rouge and Rogue, and then my lips is the Time Los Angeles Macchiato liquid lipstick. I thought it just tied in really well with the colors. I don't know, I really like this liquid lipstick, so you guys can use code KATRINA for some money off Time Los Angeles. It's the finished look. I really love this look. I love how it came out. I love the colors. I just live for these colors. I love them. I feel like it looks really good with my hair too, since I just went even lighter. Final thoughts on the palette. I really, really love it. I know it was limited edition. It went they had a pre-sale for it, and then it officially went live yesterday, which was the 2nd. I don't know if they're going to be doing any more restocks, so I'm not too sure, but if you did pick this palette up, I hope that this kind of inspired you. This look did end up being pretty much like a recreation of Laura's look that I showed earlier. I don't think it's as dark, maybe, I don't know, but anyways, I love how it turned out. If you guys pick this palette up, I'm pretty sure you guys will not be disappointed. It's so, so good, and I just think that the shadows performed really well, and yeah, I really love it, and I could definitely see myself using this over and over again. If you guys liked this video, if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Make sure to hit the little bell notifications down below to know when I do upload a new video. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.